Hello and welcome! In today's video, I'd like to show you another interesting gadget which looks like a pen, but, well, is it a pen? If you'll find the content useful, don't forget to like the video, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it and become a part of our community. So yes, this gadget looks like a pen that we are used to write, but what does it do? It is actually a hook remover, and this gadget has one thing within it that the other hook removers don't, and if you'll stay until the end, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm talking about. How to use this gadget. All is pretty simple. You just unscrew this bottom part here, and we've got another part inside. As you can see over here, it has this rubber, so it actually prevents water from accessing the middle of the tool. So let's screw the bottom part, and this front part goes over here, like so. All is pretty simple. As a demonstration, I'm gonna use this hook here to show you how to use it. So let's imagine that this is a fish's mouth, and we need to remove the hook from it. So what do? We just insert it into the middle like so. Then gently we just push it down the fish's mouth, locate the hook, pull it a bit, and just take it away from the fish's mouth. All is pretty simple. And well, to me, this gadget looks pretty solid. It won't slip because, well, the handle is specially designed so that it wouldn't slip even if your hands will be dry. Remember, I've told you about one thing this gadget has that the other ones don't. So I'll just put it back together, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm talking about. So on the back over here, it has this small magnet which will allow you to find the metal objects. For example, if you lose your hook, or for example, if you need to take the hook from your box, like so. So that's pretty useful thing, which I haven't actually seen on the other hook removers, because the only thing that they just help you to remove the hooks from the fish's mouth. If you'd like to check the price, I'll put the link in the description. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.